I don't know how well this is going to work out. Some time ago, a coworker asked me for a wooden ashtray for his cigars. And I started with this, and then there was some really bad cavities, I think they're over here actually, that I tried to get past, and then what ended up doing is adding epoxy. I had gotten actually some of the turning, and I've filled it all in with epoxy now. This is just clear. I didn't bother with black. And now what I need to do, this is the first attempt, and I failed at it, and I hate to just throw this away. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to find the center here and make a new tenon, and then we'll see if I can turn it. Wish me luck. I wanted to do just a little bit more cleanup. So I was doing a cleanup, and apparently I cleaned up a little bit too much. Oh well, I guess that's for the dustbin. I will not be turning epoxy again. There are these little shards of epoxy glass literally everywhere in my shop. This is going to take a while to clean up. They're everywhere. It is a total mess. Finally, just remember, after every woodworking project, you should always count your fingers. You end with 10, good job.